Hey guys, this is Lewis with GeekUp here with a couple of reasons why you should pre-order the Xbox One from Microsoft. And yeah, I understand that Microsoft did a 180 with the turns to compete with Sony's PlayStation 4, but is that really a good or a bad thing for you and the customers? But I don't want to start a war, so let's start with the next generation slick and fast user interface inside the Xbox One. That includes fast switching from games to dashboard, multitasking between apps, and the snap mode. You can also use your voice and gestures to command and easily control your Xbox One from your sofa by using these features plus Skype. Now, though reasons don't convince you to switch to Microsoft's side, there may be the ability to add as much storage to your console through your external HDD might actually help you make the move. Now, this allows you to store a lot of games and stay portable. The Kinect 2.0 bar is included inside the bundle, and I see that many people don't want this, especially since it's watching your every single move. But is that a good thing? Because of the new features such as Skyping with high quality built-in camera, controlling the user interface and media with your voice, plus using your gestures. Even though reasons don't make you reconsider pre-ordering the Xbox One from Microsoft, then click on the annotation on your screen for more reasons. But if I did win you over, you can pre-order via the Amazon link in the description under this video. And while you're down there, please do hit that like button, I appreciate it a lot. Share with your friends and family. Also, comment your thoughts about the Xbox One from Microsoft and subscribe now. Until next time, have a great day.